Ever wonder why there's such a buzz around yoga? Why are people across the globe, of all ages, fitness levels, and walks of life, increasingly turning to this ancient practice? Well, today, we delve into the heart of yoga and uncover 5 compelling reasons why this wellness practice could be a game changer for your health and well-being. 1. A path to increased flexibility. Yoga is a practice that encourages gradual and consistent stretching. Over time, the body responds by becoming more limber and flexible. This increased flexibility can help alleviate everyday aches and pains, like that nagging lower back pain from hunching over your laptop all day. 2. A tool for stress relief. Yoga, with its emphasis on mindful breathing and being present, can be an effective way to manage stress. Studies have shown that regular yoga practice can decrease the secretion of cortisol, the primary stress hormone. 3. A catalyst for improved fitness. Believe it or not, yoga is a fantastic way to build strength and endurance without lifting a single weight. Postures like planks, warriors, and downward dogs engage multiple muscle groups at once, creating a full-body workout. 4. A gateway to better sleep. Struggling to get a good night's rest? Yoga might be the answer. Certain yoga poses and breathing techniques can help prepare the body for a restful sleep. Plus, the overall stress-reducing benefits of yoga contribute to better sleep quality too. And 5. A medium for enhanced focus and concentration. In our hyper-distracted world, yoga offers a much-needed respite. The practice demands focus and concentration, which can translate into improved cognitive function and productivity off the mat. So, there you have it. 5 compelling reasons to incorporate yoga into your lifestyle. Yoga fosters increased flexibility, provides a reliable tool for stress relief, acts as a catalyst for improved fitness, opens the gateway to better sleep, and enhances focus and concentration. Remember, it's not about being able to do the most complex poses or having the most expensive yoga gear. Instead, it's about committing to the journey and reaping the benefits along the way. Yoga is a gift that keeps on giving, so why not give it a try? Embrace the practice and watch as the magic of yoga unfolds in your life.